As elders say, age is just a number, but what your cells know how to reverse it. If you want to look younger than your age, then this video is for you. Right now, inside your body, millions of tiny workers are fighting to keep you young, cleaning, repairing, and rebuilding from the inside out. But here's the shocking truth. Most people unknowingly shut them down every single day. The result? Faster aging, fatigue, and a body that feels decades older than it should. In the next few minutes, you'll discover a real Japanese longevity secret, one so simple it helped ordinary people live past 100 while staying strong, sharp, and active. And the best part? You can start using it tonight. Dr. Makoko Suzuki's phone rings. He's a cardiologist, seen everything, or so he thought. Doctor, you need to see this woman. She's 100 years old and she's outside right now, cutting grass with a sickle. Dr. Suzuki rolls his eyes. Sure, she's probably just watching someone else do it. But he hits the road anyway, and when he gets there, his jaw drops. This 100-year-old woman isn't directing anyone. She's bent over, swinging that sickle through thick grass like she's 40. Sweat on her forehead, steady rhythm, strong. He walks up to her, completely stunned. "Ma'am, how old are you?" She looks up barely. "I'm 100. Why? Something wrong?" She doesn't even think she's unusual. And that's when Dr. Suzuki noticed something was very, very different here. He returns, interviews a lot more older Okinawans. At 95, they're farming. At 100, they're dancing. Their arteries? Cleaner than most Americans at 50. Cancer? It hardly exists. But here's what troubled him. Why? No special pills, no fancy treatments, and genetics advantage. So what the hell were they doing? Meanwhile, 1,000 miles away in Tokyo, a scientist was about to crack the code. Dr. Yoshinori Osumi stares at yeast cells through a microscope, and then he suddenly sees what nobody has ever seen before. His hands begin to shake. He just unearthed autophagy, your body's own elixir of life. This discovery would win him the Nobel Prize. But here is where it gets different for you. Autophagy is not simply the result of passive processes. Your cellular cleanup crew only turns on under very specific conditions. And here's the brutal truth most doctors won't tell you. Your daily routine is shutting them down. Think about it. You wake up, immediately go have breakfast, cereal, bagel, whatever. Snack mid-morning, coffee with cream, lunch at noon. 3 p.m. snack because you're tired. Dinner at 6 or 7, dessert at 9, probably chips while watching Netflix. You're eating from the time your eyes open till you just pass out. Every time you eat, you're sending a signal, cancel the cleanup crew. Your cellular janitors never finish the job. Damaged proteins pile up, toxins accumulate, you age faster. But those Okinawan centenarians, they figured out the code. Before I show you exactly what they did, I need to know you're still with me. If this is making sense so far, if you're starting to see why you feel tired, why you're aging faster than you should, drop a comment right now and just type yes. Dr. Suzuki continued to observe the way these centenarians ate, and one day he noticed something strange. Before every meal, they'd stop, shut their eyes briefly, whisper something, Hara Hachi Bu. Eat until you are 8 parts full. Not full, not satisfied, just 80% full. That's it? That's the secret? Yes! But here's why it works. By stopping at 80%, they were creating the exact conditions Dr. Osumi discovered in his lab. Just enough cellular stress to turn on the autophagy switch. Think about yourselves as a factory. When you're eating all the time, everybody's on the assembly line processing new material. No time for maintenance. But when you give them a break at 80%, the night shift arrives. They clean, repair, rebuild, and upgrade everything. Now, you may wonder, does this really work? Meet Dr. Shigeaki Hinahara. This man did not just study longevity, he lived it. He lived to be 105 and was working up until the end. still seeing patients at 100. At 102, flying to New York to give lectures, working 18-hour days with more energy than people half his age. His secret? I give my body time to clean house every night. He did the following. Finished eating by 6 p.m., didn't eat again until the next morning around 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. During those 16 hours, your cellular cleanup crew goes to work. What to do in your 8-hour eating window. First meal, 10 to 11 a.m. Start with green tea or fresh vegetable juice. Wait 20 minutes. This is crucial. Do not bypass it. Then eat eggs with avocado and spinach, or Greek yogurt with berries and nuts, or a vegetable omelet. Remember, stop at 80% full. Second meal, 2 to 3 p.m., optional. If you're hungry, light snack with lean protein, veggies, and healthy fats. If you're not hungry, skip it. Listen to your body. Stop at 80% full. Dinner time, 5 to 6 p.m. This is your biggest meal, but don't stuff yourself. Fill your plate with purple sweet potatoes or regular sweet potatoes, colorful vegetables such as peppers, broccoli, leafy greens, wild-caught fish or lean chicken, seaweed, yes, get some dried seaweed sheets, season with turmeric, ginger, garlic, black pepper. Critical, stop at 80% full, not stuffed, just satisfied. The 80% full rule explained. Here's how you know when you're at 80%. You could eat more, but you don't need to. You're not reaching for your belt buckle, not feeling sleepy or fatigued. You feel satisfied, not stuffed. If someone offered you more food, you would say, I'm good. What you can have during the 16-hour fast. Water, as much as you want. Black coffee, no cream, no sugar, green tea, herbal tea without sweetener. Sparkling water, plain, no flavoring. No milk or creamer. No diet soda, yes, even 0 calorie. No protein shakes, no, just a small snack. The 4-week activation plan. Week 1. Start with a fasting window of 12 hours. Dinner at 7 p.m., breakfast at 7 a.m. Stop at 80% full for all meals. This gets your body used to the rhythm. Week 2. Extend to 14-hour window. Stop dinner by 7 p.m., delay breakfast until 9 a.m. Energy will start improving. Continue with the practice of 80% fullness. Week 3. Hit the 16-hour sweet spot. Finish dinner by 6 p.m., first meal at 10 a.m. Start your morning with tea or juice, wait 20 minutes. Here is when autophagy really starts to kick in. Week 4. Lock it in. Make this your lifestyle. Add in the colorful foods, the autophagy-enhancing spices. Your body is now in full cellular repair mode. What to eat? The autophagy-boosting foods. These foods actually enhance the cellular cleanup process. Purple sweet potatoes, or orange ones if you can't find purple. Cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, arugula. Fatty fish, salmon, sardines, mackerel. Fermented foods, kimchi, sauerkraut, miso. Seaweed, nori sheets, wakame. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. What to avoid? The autophagy killers. These turn off your cellular repair. Processed foods and fast food. Sugar-laden beverages and desserts. Too much red meat. Fried foods. Refined carbs. White bread, white rice, pastries. Late-night snacking. Constant grazing throughout the day. The simple daily checklist. Do these 3 things every single day. Eat dinner by 6 to 7 p.m. Stop at 80% full at every meal. Wait until 10-11 a.m. before eating the following day. That's it. 3 simple rules that activate your cellular fountain of youth. The results. Days 1 through 7. Better energy, deeper sleep, no more afternoon crashes. Weeks 2 through 4. Mental fog lifts, skin glows, clothes fit better, body becomes efficient. Months 2 through 6, that is where magic happens. Stronger immune system, aches disappear. People ask, what are you doing? You look 10 years younger. 1 year after, you've turned back the clock, not just in appearance, in how you feel. More energy, sharper mind, stronger body. You're not just living longer, you're living better. I want you to do the following thing right now. Smash that like button. It helps more people discover these life-changing secrets. Leave a comment below with one change you're making tonight. 80% full, 16-hour fast, morning tea. Just let me know one thing. Your commitment will inspire others. Subscribe and hit the bell because I'm revealing more longevity secrets Big Pharma doesn't want you to know. Your body is waiting. Your cells are ready. The only question is, are you? Type, "I'm ready" in the comments if you're starting tonight. See you in the next video. Stay young. Stay strong. Let's make it together.